Hi guys, it's Henry from IFE here. So today I want to go over a question I've been asked many times on the website and emailed through on actually a daily basis. Is what platforms do you have open to you if you're a UK expat living abroad? Obviously we've seen the UK regulations get tighter on what you can open if you're living abroad in terms of platforms. It's not an option to invest in your Hardgrove Lansdowne account. It's not an option to increase your ISA if you've got one, although you may maintain one if you're still there back in the UK. And a lot of people are confused about what platforms are available. So today I just want to go over a few. I've put a link in the description that lists around 20 platforms that I've noted in the article. What are the options for UK expats? I'll link below. But today I want to go over a few of the best advisor ones and a few of the best do-it-yourself ones. So firstly we'll go on what are the best do-it-yourself ones. We have a few. We have personal favourite is Swiss Quote, low cost, large range of funds. It is a bit more trade centric, and it is quite hard to navigate through, but it's a good option. The other options are DBS Securities and Interactive Brokers as well. Wide range of ETFs, low cost. Some of the interactive can cost a bit if you are just having a passive account or either trading quite frequently with the high trading costs. Can add up around $8 plus per trade, but usually for the DIY investor they are a feasible option. So different jurisdictions, mainly based in Singapore, a lot of those expat do-it-yourself ones. To the advisor ones, what are the best that I personally think? You have a branch of RL360, bit of a dodgy reputation online and through their high bond fees. It's Arden, Isle of Man based, it's low cost, about 0.4, 0.5% if you take the advisor costs out of it. Good range of ETFs. You've also got Investors Trust, bit of a Cayman based, not as highly rated as the Isle of Man, but still a feasible option and very investable grade by the rating agencies on the Cayman Islands. It's got a more slicker online system. It does work a bit more slicker than Arden, and also you have a wide range of investments, ETFs within it as well. Third one is a European-based one, is Capital Platforms. It's also based in Luxembourg, has a wide range of ETFs, 0.4% per year without the advisor fee. With the advisor you're looking at around anything to 1%. Other notable options, Novia, UK-based one, and Platform One, but also UK that some UK expats may want. There is expat options for them. So there you go, is a quick roundup of what options, what platforms you do have if you are an expat, a British expat living offshore.